Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is money. So in that we'll learn about money. As you all know, money is very important to fulfill our daily needs. So in that the first point is given, writing in rupees and paise. You can see here two coins are given. The first coin is of rupees 5 and next to it a 50 paisa coin is given. This coin is 50 paisa. So if we want to write this in the form of numbers, how we will write that we will learn in this. So there are two ways to writing this amount, that is in the form of words and in the form of figure. So in words how we'll write, that is 5 rupees 50 paise. So 5 rupees 50 paise, and in the form of number or in figures it is written as 5 rupees 50 paise. This sign is the sign of rupees and this dot is separated rupees and paise. So the dot is used to separate rupees and paise. Okay, so in this rupees 5 rupees 50 paise, how we will read this? 5 rupees 50 paise. So the number before dot is rupees and the number after dot is the paise. So you will read the number as 5 rupees 50 paise. In this, our next point is conversion of rupees and paise. Conversion of rupees and paise. The first point is given, converting rupees into paise. Rupees is given and that rupees you have to convert in paise. That we will learn in this topic. As we all know, 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So to convert the rupees into paise, we will multiply rupees by 100. So if you want to convert the rupees into paise, so we'll multiply that rupees to 100. So here examples are given, rupees 5, and this rupees 5 we have to convert into paisa. So what we will do, we will multiply the rupees, 5 rupees multiplied by 100 paise. So 5 multiplied by 100 paisa is equal to 5 ones are 5 and remaining 2 zeros. So 500 paisa. So 100 5s are 500. So 100 500 paisa. Next example is rupees 7. So we'll multiply it by 100. So 7 multiplied by 100. So that will become 700 paise. So 7 rupees is equal to 700 paise. Rupees 12. So rupees 12 we have to convert into paise. So we'll multiply 12 by 100. So that is become 12 paise. So if we want to convert the rupees into paisa, we will multiply the rupees into 100. So that will give the rupees into paise. Now next is to convert rupees and paise into paise, multiply the rupees with 100 and add the paise to it. In that the example is given 3 rupees 50 paise. So this 3 rupees 50 paise we have to convert into paise. So we'll multiply rupees into 100. So 3 multiplied by 100. So 3 multiplied by 100 and we'll add paise to in it. So plus 50 paise. So 3 into 100 is become 300 paise plus 50 paise as it is. So 300 plus 50 is become 350 paise. Next, 5 rupees 75 paise is given and we have to convert this rupees into paise. So what we will do, we will multiply the rupees into 100. So here 5 rupees is given. So 5 multiplied by 100 and we'll add paise in it. So plus 75 paise. So 5 into 100 is become 500 paise plus we'll add remaining 75 paise. So 500 plus 75 is become 575 paise. Next is given rupees 8 rupees 30 paise. So we'll multiply the rupees into 100. So here 8 rupees is given, so 8 multiplied by 100, and we'll add the paise in it. So 30 paise is given, so we'll add 30 paise in it. So 8 into 100 is become 800 paise plus 30 paise. So 800 plus 30 is become 830 paise. So this is how we can convert the rupees into paise. There is a shortcut method is also there to convert rupees into paise. So to convert the rupees into paise, remove rupees symbol and dot and write the figure in paise. So example is given 3 rupees 50 paise. So instead of doing all this calculation, we can simply remove this rupees sign and this dot sign. So if we remove this all, and we'll write the number as it is, 350 paise. This is as similar as above, 350 paise. Instead of doing all this calculation, we can simply remove this rupees sign and dot, and we'll write the numbers together. Next, 5 rupees 75 paise. So we'll remove this rupees sign and dot, and we'll simply write the numbers together. So 575 paise. That whole amount is becoming paise. Next, 8 rupees plus 30 paise. So we'll remove this rupees sign and dot. It become 830 paise. So this is the shortcut trick to convert the rupees into paise. Now we'll convert the paise into rupees. First we have seen convert into rupees into paise. Now we'll see paise into rupees. So we all know 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees, and 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. So we have to convert this paise into rupees. So what is the method? To convert paise into rupees, place a dot before the digit in the tens place. The digit in the tens and ones place represent paise, and the digits at the hundreds and other higher places represent the rupees. So let's understand this with the help of some examples. 500 paise. So this paise you have to convert into rupees. So what you will do, you will put a point after tens place. So which is the tens place? This is ones, this is tens, and after tens you will put a dot. So here ones, tens, dot, and 5 as it is. So number before the dot is become rupees, and number after the dots are become paise. So here it is become 5 rupees 00 paise. Next is given 1575 paise. So how you will convert it? You will place a dot after tens place. So here ones, tens, and put a dot in between them. So here ones, tens, dot, and 15 as it is. So number before the dot is become rupees, and the number after the dot is become paise. So how you will read this? 15 rupees 75 paise. 15 rupees 75 paise. Next is 6790 paise. So how you will convert this paise into rupees? You will simply place a dot after tens place. Ones, tens, put a dot, and this become the conversion. So how you will read this? 67 rupees. The number before the dot is become rupees. So 67 rupees, and after the dot the number is paise. So 67 rupees 90 paise. Now next is 5005 paise. So what you will do? You will place a dot after tens. So ones, tens, put a dot. So ones, tens, dot, the number before it rupees, and the number after the dot paise. So how you will read? 50 rupees 5 paise. Simple. So with this we'll start our exercise 3.1. So in that, first is given, write the following amount in figures. So in the form of words the amount is given, and that you have to write in the form of numbers or the form of figures. So first, 8 rupees 55 paise. So how you will write it? 8 rupees. So rupees sign you will draw first. 8 rupees, as 8 rupees is there, so 8 rupees and 55 paise. So for differentiating we will use dot 55 paise. So this is become 8 rupees 55 paise. So for separating rupees and paise we'll use dot. Now next, 32 rupees 65 paise. So first rupees sign, 32 rupees and how many paises? So for showing paise we'll put first dot and 65 paise like this. Now next is 900 rupees. No paise is there, so 900 rupees and no paise is there, so we'll put simply dot and 0 0. I hope you can try this D1. Now next is write the following amount in words. Now amount is given and you have to write this figures, this amount in the form of words. So here how you will read this? 7 rupees 10 paise. The number before the dot is rupees and the number after the dot is paise. So how you will read is 7 rupees. So 7 SEVEN 7 rupees. So rupees 10 paise. So TEN 10 paise. Don't use and between this, writing this. Now next is 93 rupees. So 93, what is the spelling? 93 3 rupees 25 paise. So 25 paise. So this is how you can write the amount in the form of words. So I hope you can try the rest of the sums. Now next, question number 3 is convert the following into paise. So rupees are given and that you have to convert into paise. So first is 5 rupees. So what you will do, you will, if we want to convert the rupees into paise, we'll multiply that rupees into 100. So 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500 paise. Next, 43 rupees. So what you will do, 43 multiplied by 100. So 43, and you will write the number as it is and append 2 zeros to the answer. So 4300 paise. Now next is, see, 62 rupees 60 paise. So you can do it by 62 multiplied by 100 plus 60 like this, and instead of this you can use a shortcut method also. So what is the shortcut method? You will just simply remove this rupee sign and remove this dot. So how you will do? You will write only 62 60 paise, right? This is the simple method. And D, 53 rupees 20 paise. This we will solve with another method. So 53 rupees. So what we will do? We will multiply 100 to the rupees. So 53 here. So 53 multiplied by 100 and we'll add paise in it. So plus 20 paise, right? So 53 into 100 is what? 5300 plus remaining 20 paise. So what is the answer here? 55,300 plus 20 is become 5,320 paise. Or you can simply remove this rupee sign and dot, so you will get the number 5,320 paise. This is the answer. I hope you can try this last one. Question number 4, convert the following into rupees. So first is given 800 paise. Now paisas are the numbers in the form of paises is given and you have to convert into rupees. So 800 paise. So what you will do? You will simply put a dot after tens place. So as we have to convert into rupees, so first you rupee sign and the number is 800, right? So simply put dot after tens place. So ones, tens, put a dot. So this is become 8 rupees 00 paise. Now second is 1025 paise. So first rupees sign, then 1025 paise. So after tens place, ones, tens, put a dot. So this is become into rupees. So 10 rupees 25 paise. Next is C1, 6075 paise. So first rupee sign and then 6075 paise as it is, and then put a dot after tens place, ones, tens, dot. So how you will read now? 60 rupees 75 paise. So I hope you can try the remaining sum. Next question is question number 5. Using rupees 2, rupees 5, 10 and 50 paise note and coins, how would you pay the following? Also convert the given amount into paise. So first, if you have 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees notes and 50 paisa you have, and if you want to purchase the following things, how you will buy these things, that you have to write. So this bottle you have to purchase, and this bottle is of rupees 15 rupees 50 paise. So how you will give this, how you will take this bottle? So we will use 10 rupees notes, so rupees 10 and plus rupees 5. So 10 plus 5 is become 15, and plus you have another 50 paise. So as you have 50 paise, you will use that paise. This is the rupees, and you have to convert this whole rupees into paise. So what you will do, you will convert this into paise. So simply you will remove this rupees sign and dot. So what will be the amount? 1550 paise. So 1550 is become your paise. Now next is this compass box is of rupees 37 rupees and 50 paise. So how you will buy this? By using this following amount. So you will use 10 rupees note, 10 rupees plus one more 10 rupees plus one more 10 rupees. So this is become 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 20 plus 10 is become 30, and remaining plus rupees 5. So 30 plus 5 is become 35 plus 2 rupees. So 35 plus 2 is 37 and plus 50 paise. So this is how you can buy this compass box, and now you have to convert this amount into paise also. So what you will do, you will simply remove this rupees sign and dot. So this is become your paise. So 37 rupees 50 paise. So this is your answer. So I hope you understand this whole exercise.